Stop hiccups instantly by surprising your vagus nerve with a spoonful of sugar. This sweet hack works like magic by overwhelming the vagus nerve, the same nerve responsible for those annoying diaphragm spasms. When you let granulated sugar dissolve on your tongue, it triggers a sensory overload that distracts your body from the hiccup reflex. Imagine your body hitting the pause button on those irritating interruptions because it got too busy processing the sudden sugar rush. It's a quick and easy trick that turns your kitchen staple into a secret weapon against hiccups. So next time you're battling those relentless hiccups, ditch the water-drinking headstands and try this sugar-coated solution. It's a sweet victory that's sure to surprise and satisfy, leaving you hiccup-free in no time.